You betrayed your own family. You left them behind. Don't forget about our deal, Jinu, because I can turn those voices up.
Say, you didn't do this. How could you do this?
It was all a lie.
It was real. What we had was real. I know it was.
The things I said, I just needed you to trust me. That's all.
No, I know your story. You were a good person and you still are. You just made a mistake.
I left them! That's right. I lied to you. I only made a deal with Kima to get myself out of that miserable life. I left my sister, my mother, alone. I left them.